Good day everyone, welcome back to our discussion on the topic matrix. Today we'll be discussing determinant of matrix. We have our very first example, which is a 2 by 2 matrix. It states that if A is equal to matrix 3 4 1 2, find determinant of A. Now to get the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, we usually just multiply across. That is, in this case we'll be multiplying 3 times 2 and subtracting 4 times 1. That is, for 2 by 2 matrix, you multiply your first element to your last element and subtract the multiplication of your second element with your third element. So in this case, the determinant of A will be equal to 3 times 2 minus 1 times 4, which will be equal to 6 minus 4, which will be equals to 2. We have another example, which is also a 2 by 2 matrix. It states that if D is equals to matrix 2 6 minus 1 and 4, find determinant of D. Now for our solution, we are going to be multiplying across and subtracting. So determinant of D will be equals to 2 times 4 minus 6 times minus 1, which will be equals to 8 plus 6, which is equals to 14. We have another example from November 2003. It states that if D is equals to matrix 7 2 minus 3 6, find determinant of D raised to the power of half, or the square root of D. Now for our solution, the determinant of D will be equals to 7 times 6 minus, in brackets, minus 3 times 2, which will be equals to 42 plus 6, which is equals to 48. Now for D raised to the power of half, which is equals to the square root of D, D raised to the power of half will be equals to the square root of 48, which is equals to 4 root 3 when simplified further. Now we have another question from NECO. It said determine the value of the determinant of the matrix given. A is equals to matrix 4 3 1 minus 2 0 3 1 1 5. Now as you can see, this is a 3 by 3 matrix, and the way we find the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix, we take the element of the first row, and when we do that, for like in this case we take 4, we remove the element that intersects with 4, both the horizontal and vertical element, and we multiply it by the 2 by 2 matrix that is left. We'll do the same for 3 and we'll do the same for 1, but we alternate the sign. That is, 4 will be positive, 3 will be negative, and 1 will be positive. So in this case, the determinant of A will be equals to 4, and when we remove the element in the intercept of 4, that's 3 1 minus 2 and 1, we are left with 0 1 3 and 5. So it will be 4, the matrix 0 1 3 and 5, minus 3, because 3 will be negative, minus 2 1 3 5, plus 1 minus 2 0 1 1. Then we are going to be simplifying the smaller matrix as we normally do for 2 by 2 matrix. So it will be equals to 4 in brackets 0 times 5 minus 1 times 3, minus 3 in brackets minus 2 times 5 minus 1 times 3, plus 1 in brackets minus 2 times 1 minus 1 times 0. Simplifying this further, to be equals to 4 in brackets 0 minus 3, minus 3 in brackets minus 10 minus 3, plus 1 in brackets minus 2 minus 0, which will be equals to 4 in brackets minus 3, minus 3 in brackets minus 13, plus 1 in brackets minus 2. Opening up our bracket to be equals to minus 12 minus 39 minus 2, which is equals to minus 53, and our correct option is D. Our final question is also a 3 by 3 matrix, and it's from NECO. It states that if M is equals to matrix 3 5 minus 4, 6 minus 3 minus 5 minus 2 2 and 1, find the determinant of M, and we're given the option. Now as usual, A, or determinant of A, will be equals to our first element is 3, our smaller matrix will be minus 3 minus 5 2 and 1, minus 5, our smaller matrix will be 6 minus 5 minus 2 and 1, and our last element is minus 4, our smaller matrix will be 6 minus 3 minus 2 and 2. We did not forget that our sign alternate, that's plus minus and plus, that's why our 5 is minus 5. Now simplifying further, it becomes 3 in bracket minus 3 times 1 minus 2 times in bracket minus 5 minus 5 in bracket 6 times 1 minus 2 in bracket times minus 3 in bracket minus 4 in bracket 6 times 2 minus in bracket minus 2 times in bracket minus 3. Simplifying further to be equals to 3 in bracket minus 3 plus 10 minus 5 in bracket 6 minus 10 minus 4 in bracket 12 minus 6, which should be equals to 3 in bracket 7 minus 5 in bracket minus 4 minus 4 in bracket 6. Opening up the brackets to be equals to 21 plus 20 minus 24, which is equals to 17, and our final answer is B. Here are some exercises for you to try your hands on at home. And for more insight on this topic, you can check out our Hidden Fact Further Mathematics textbook. You can get the hard copy in bookshops, or if you're interested in the soft copy, you can get it at the website on the bottom of your screen. Thank you.